This is Professor Thompson, and I'm going to do some examples of derivatives from 3.6 on hyperbolic functions. And the first one I will do here is 28. So all these, I just want to take the derivative. The directions say simplify where possible, but I found that WebAssign will take non-simplified answers even in these sections, so I'm not worried about that. So this is cosh of ln of x. In class we did it the other way around, we did ln of cosh. So what happens here is if I take the derivative, I use the chain rule, and cosh becomes sinh, not negative sinh. That's how sine and cosine work, but not here. I leave ln of x, and then I multiply by the derivative of ln of x, which is 1 over x. So I guess if you want to simplify a little, it's just sinh of ln of x all over x. And that's it for 28. The next example I will do is 32. And 32 is f of t equals cush t. And so it's all of that times 1 minus ln of cush t. So overall we have a product rule here. We have cush t. All of that is the first thing, and then the second thing is 1 minus ln of cush t. So let me put some more parentheses just to be clear. So this derivative is going to be a prime, and a prime is negative cush t cos t, and then b again, which is 1 minus ln of cush t, plus a, which is cush t, times b prime. Well, 1 goes to 0, but I still have negative, and then 1 over cush t, because that's the derivative of ln, and then the derivative of cush t is negative cush t cos t. So there's quite a bit of simplification you can do here, but I'm a bit out of space, so I will just leave the answer like that for now. So that was 32. The next one I will do is 34. And this is y equals sinh of cosh x. And so here, sinh becomes cosh, but I leave cosh inside, so you end up with cosh of x. Isn't that a food? Or is that couscous? Anyway, then you multiply by the derivative of cosh, which is sinh. And that is all you need to do for that example. Let me go ahead and do 35 as well. 35 is g of x is 1 minus cosh over 1 plus cosh. So this one I may try to simplify if I have room. The derivative is going to require the quotient rule, and this is going to be low d high, and d high is going to be negative sinh minus high d low, and the derivative of the low is just sinh all over low squared, and away we go. So that's pretty tight squeeze, but on the next slide I will try to write this a bit more clearly. So this is g prime written all in one line, and I want to try to simplify. So the top is going to be minus 1 minus cosh sinh minus 1 plus cosh sinh. So the cosh sinh just cancel, and I end up with just minus 2 on the top. And that's going to be over 1 plus cosh x squared. So this is minus 2 over 1 plus cosh x all squared. And that's pretty good. So the last